IPL 2022 All 10 Team Probable Squad. Delhi Capitals Best Probable Squad. Shreyas Iyer from India. Josh Buttler from England. Martin Guptill from New Zealand. Shikhar Dhawan from India. Rishabh Pant from India. Ben Cutting from Australia. Jimmy Neesham from New Zealand. Akshar Patel from India. Tim Saudi from New Zealand. Josh Hazlewood from Australia. Enrich Nartije from South Africa. Avesh Khan from India. Simron Hedmire from West Indies. Narayan Jagdishan from India. Sandeep Sharma from India. Amit Mishra from India. Punjab Kings Best Probable Squad. KL Rahul from India. Josh Inglis from Australia. Tim Seifert from New Zealand. Chris Woakes from England. Mitchell Marsh from Australia. Shakib Al Hasan from Bangladesh. Obed McCoy from West Indies. Nicholas Poron from West Indies. Mark Wood from England. Mayank Agrawal from India. Shahrukh Khan from India. Dhaval Kulkarni from India. Mohammad Sami from India. Ravi Bishnoi from India. Anukul Roy from India. Manan Bohra from India. Arshdeep Singh from India. Kolkata Knight Riders Best Probable Squad. Shubman Gill from India. David Miller from South Africa. Andre Russell from West Indies. Matthew Wade from Australia. Venkatesh Iyer from India. Vijay Shankar from India. Scott Coghlan from New Zealand. Stephen Rutherford from West Indies. Sunil Narine from West Indies. Trent Bolt from New Zealand. Harshal Patel from India. Fabian Allen from West Indies. Varun Chakravarti from India. Karan Sharma from India. Rahul Tripathi from India. Sarfaraz Khan from India. Ahmedabad Team Best Probable Squad. Ajinkya Rahane from India. Manish Pandey from India. Evan Lewis from West Indies. Devon Conway from New Zealand. Dinesh Karthik from India. Ravichandra Ashwin from India. Dushmantha Chameera from Sri Lanka. Joe Root from England. Robin Uthappa from India. Cameron Green from Australia. Mujibur Rahman from Afghanistan. Carlos Braithwaite from West Indies. Ishan Sharma from India. Adam Milne from New Zealand. Shahbaz Nadeem from India. Lukman Meriwala from India. Rajasthan Royal Best Probable Squad. Sanju Samson from India. David Malan from England. Deepak Hooda from India. Chris Lynn from Australia. Rahul Tripathi from India. Mahmudullah from Bangladesh. Ben Stokes from England. Ken Richardson from Australia. Jofra Archer from England. Ambati Rayudu from India. Colin de Grandhomme from New Zealand. Chris Jordan from England. Chetan Sakaria from India. Siddharth Kaul from India. Yashasvi Jaiswal from India. Murugan Ashwin from India. Sunrisers Hyderabad best probable squad. Ken Williamson from New Zealand. Aaron Finch from Australia. Johnny Bairstow from England. Marcos Stoinis from Australia. Wanindu Hasaranga from Sri Lanka. Rashid Khan from Afghanistan. Shivam Dubey from India. Prithvi Shaw from India. Tim David from Singapore. Abdul Samad from India. Bhubaneswar Kumar from India. T. Natarajan from India. David Willey from England. Khalil Ahmed from India. Mandeep Singh from India. Abhishek Sharma from India. Chennai Super Kings best probable squad. MS Dhoni from India. Liam Livingstone from England. Fab du Plessis from South Africa. Mitchell Starc from Australia. Washington Sundar from India. Ishan Kishan from India. Ruturaj Gaikwad from India. Dwayne Bravo from West Indies. Moeen Ali from England. Ravindra Jadeja from India. Lucky Ferguson from New Zealand. Shardul Thakur from India. Sam Curran from England. Ish Sodhi from New Zealand. Deepak Chahar from India. Hari Nishant from India. Royal Challengers Bangalore best probable squad. Virat Kohli from India. David Warner from Australia. Glenn Phillips from New Zealand. Chris Morris from South Africa. Glenn Maxwell from Australia. Kagiso Rabada from South Africa. Surya Kumar Yadav from India. AB de Villiers from South Africa. Umran Malik from India. Mustafizur Rahman from Bangladesh. Uzbendra Chahal from India. Mohammad Nabi from Afghanistan. Devdutt Padikkal from India. Ryan Parak from India. Mohammad Siraj from India. Joydev Unadkat from India. Krishnappa Gautam from India. Mumbai Indians best probable squad. Rohit Sharma from India. Jason Roy from England. Kieron Pollard from West Indies. Pat Cummins from Australia. Lungi Nigidi from South Africa. Jason Holder from West Indies. Hardik Pandya from India. Nitish Rana from India. Quinton de Kock from South Africa. Moses Henriques from Australia. Nathan Coulter-Nile from Australia. Jasprit Bumrah from India. Shibham Mabhi from India. Krunal Pandya from India. Rajat Patidar from India. Rahul Chahar from India. Lucknow team best probable squad. Suresh Raina from India. Chris Gale from West Indies. Steven Smith from Australia. Daryl Mitchell from New Zealand. Kedar Jadhav from India. Daniel Sams from Australia. Kuldeep Yadav from India. Ian Morgan from England. Karun Nair from India. Andrew Tye from Australia. Timers Mills from England. Priyam Garg from India. Adam Jampa from Australia. Navdeep Saini from India. Umesh Yadav from India. Pawan Negi from India. Friends, who is your favorite team? Please comment on comment box and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Never miss the any update. Thank you.